In the stillness, as we said goodbye, long into your dear loved eyes I gazed. I remember, from those pitch dark eyes to transparent tears down your face. Those two tears when unbounded source of unspoken love and hatred bleak. Then it was with burning lips I sought the sweet comfort of your blushing cheek. I drank deeply from that sacred source, while hoped your fears to quench. Day and then I vowed that on our foes I would wreak a terrible revenge. From the day your bright transparent tears for the enemy have been a curse, so the tears of sorrow and of fear never more from your dear eyes would cause.